welcome to this exciting example on speed, velocity, and acceleration. So the question is about a gazelle and a cheetah. So here, the question says, a cheetah waits in hiding behind the bush. The cheetah spots a gazelle running past 10 meters per second, 10 meters per second. At the same instant, the gazelle passes the cheetah. The cheetah accelerates from rest. So the cheetah accelerates to catch the gazelle. Question 1. How long does it take the cheetah to catch the gazelle? Then the second question is, what is the displacement of the cheetah and the gazelle? So these are the questions that we're going to consider in this video. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to know the data that we have, and we need to come up with their respective equations, because one is moving at a constant speed and then the other one is accelerating from rest. So meaning here the data we have is for the gazelle, it is moving at 10 meters per second. So the V is equal to 10 meters per second. So this is for the gazelle. Then we also have the initial velocity for the cheetah, that was beginning from 0. So okay, so from rest meaning 0 meters per second. Okay, then the final we haven't been given, but we just have the acceleration, which is 4 meters per second squared. 4 meters per second squared. So this is for the cheetah. So this is the information that we have. Now we need to come up with their respective equations. We know that for an object that is moving at this at constant velocity, the displacement is given by x is equal to vt. So it is from this perspective. In fact, v is equal to displacement over time. So when this is made the subject, it is the one that gives this. So let us call this x is equal to vt as equation number 1 for the gazelle. For the gazelle. So this is the equation for the gazelle. Okay. Now we also need an equation. for the cheetah. So since the cheetah is beginning from rest, we have it is the aspect of acceleration. So the displacement is given by x is equal to ut plus half at squared. But because it is moving from rest, or it is starting from rest, this is 0. So 0 times t plus half at squared, x is equal to. So we are going to have x is equal to half at squared. So this is equation number 2 for the cheetah. And this is the equation for the cheetah, which we call equation number 2. Now from this, since this is displacement and this is displacement, and for the cheetah to catch the gazelle, it is going to cover the same distance that the gazelle is going to cover. So no wonder it is not wrong to just equate equation 1 and equation 2, because the displacement is going to be the same. So from here, if we equate equation 1 and 2, so let us go, this equation 1 is equal to equation number 2. So let us equate them. So we have the equation number 1, x is equal to vt, is equal to, then x here is equal to, this is the x, the displacement for the cheetah or for the gazelle, and then this is the displacement for the cheetah. So we have half at squared. So here, since we want to find, so this is, we are now finding the time taken for the cheetah to catch the gazelle. So here what we're going to do is, we are going to, okay, let's multiply by 2 here, even here by 2, so that this and this will cancel. What we're going to have is 2vt is equal to at squared. So we can divide by t, we can divide by t, and this will cancel, this and this will cancel. And what we're going to have is at is equal to 2v. So over a, our t will be 2v over a. So for the first part, so this is our question number 1, the t will be 2v over a. So if we plug in the values for this, we have 2 times the a, or the v that was given, it was 10 over 4, which is the acceleration. So these are meters per second squared. So what we're going to have here is 20 meters per second. Okay, sorry. We're going to have 20 over 4, which will give us 5 seconds. So this is the time the gazelle, or this is the time the cheetah took to actually catch the gazelle. Now, for displacement, as I said from the beginning, x is equal to vt, and x is equal to half at squared. So the displacement that the cheetah takes to catch the gazelle is equal to the displacement that is covered by the gazelle. So displacement here is equal to 10 times 5, which is equal to 50 meters. So even here, x is equal to half times the a here is 4 times, which is the value for acceleration, times the value for time squared. So here what we have is x is equal to, this into this way of 2. So 2 times 25, we have 50 meters. So the value, rather the values now, the values that we have are, so 1, the time is 5 seconds, then 2, displacement is equal to 50 meters for both the gazelle and the cheetah. Thank you so much.